Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change speed of the Hyperlapse video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it. Let's do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the Hyperlapse, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by tapping on this big button at the center. To change the speed of our Hyperlapse, we have to go to the right corner button, and here, as you can see, we can pick speed on auto, so the camera should give us the best possible settings to our video, or we can change it to the spectrum from 4 to 64, and the really cool thing from the device is that it shows us which speed is good for which conditions we have. So for example, 64 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets. Maybe let me show you also 16, good for recording clouds moving across the sky, and let's pick also 4, good for recording people being active. So you can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on auto because I don't really have well conditions to record this type of video, but let me start recording to show you an example of it. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the Hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our Hyperlapse video. It's short now, so you have to record longer to get the better results. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.